So anybody with a Fire Stick or Fire TV can use the remote and say, show me some comedy movies. And very quickly you'll see some suggestions, but you can even take it to the next level and say, show me some action movies with Tom Cruise. Again, we can see that the smart assistant is able to filter through the content and show you those kind of recommendations with that specific actor. But imagine you can take this to the next level and just speak in a completely natural tone, natural language, ask multiple questions, not just one question at a time, and get the assistant to respond to you. Well, this is exactly what the new service from Amazon will allow you to do, just giving you more automation, more management, the ability to interact with all of your other devices and just bring all of that together using a natural language. As we can see here in their promo video, meet the all-new A-Word Assistant.
Oh, hey there.
So we can just like talk now.
I'm all ears. Figure.
So you can see straight away that it is using a lot more natural language with the way you interface with the smart assistant. So you don't have to be so precise and say things in a very specific way. It will be a lot more natural in its understanding.
Do you know how to manage my kids' schedules?
I noticed a birthday party conflicts with picking up.
So here, for example, you'll see that it can interact or interface with your calendars. So if you have your appointments set out, if you have different meetings, it can tell you if there's a conflict, if there's a clash, and then give you suggestions from that. So, I mean, right from here, you can just see how much data you'll have to expose or share with Amazon. So if it's looking at your calendar, if it's looking at your emails, if it's looking at your personal data, then it needs to access that for it to be able to make these suggestions or give you these options.
I'm at the airport. Want me to book her a ride?
So there you can see, for example, when it noted that there was a clash with, I think she was trying to pick up her mum from the airport. So because of that clash, it's now able to interface with Uber and suggest that, would you like me to organize a taxi cab for your mum? So, and this just shows how the smart assistant will be able to interface with other online services. So that could be quite handy, allowing you to book cabs or book other services just by using your voice.
Billie Eilish is in town soon.
No way.
I can share when tickets are available in your city.
Yes, please.
So again, for example, you can see that based on your interests, if it knows you are interested in a certain kind of music, or if there's a concert on with a certain pop star that you are interested in, again, the smart assistant has to know your interests, your music taste. But once it detects that, it can then let you know that this person is going to be performing at a certain concert. Would you like me to automatically book those tickets? So again, integration, but again, you exposing your personal interests, your personal data with Amazon. Okay, that was
Got any
tickets.
spring break ideas?
Somewhere not too far. Only if there's a beach and nice weather.
Santa Barbara.
So here you can see multiple people asking similar kind of questions. So they're looking for holiday. Holiday has to have a beach, has to be in a certain area. So it goes back to the point that it's no longer going to be a single question like, you know, what's the weather, or set a timer, or show me an action movie. It's multiple questions all bundled together in a single phrase. And as you can see that the smart assistant is able to answer that and give you options based on all of those 4 different options.
Beach and nice weather.
Santa Barbara is great for everyone.
Okay,
I
so
found
that's
a
a
restaurant
recommendation.
downtown I think you'd like.
And then even based on that, it will then take that conversation to the next level, then start showing you restaurants or other places or things to do in that particular holiday location.
What is Santa Barbara known for?
It has great upscale shops and oceanfund dining.
So this one, the new
Can you go
features, I
whale
did
watching?
see that.
Absolutely.
So you'll actually get to access the smart assistant through a normal browser. So this will give you the ability to upload files. You'll be able to upscale images or generate images. All these features that you are probably used to using other AI models, you can now do this with this new smart assistant. So you can see some of the things. So what can I help you with today? You can plan something, you can organize something, you can learn something. Creation will be creating those images or generating other AI things. You got shop, and then you got find.
Want me to book a catamaran tour?
See, so you mentioned like you're interested in a certain activity like whale watching or whatever you're interested in. And then based on that, it will then see if it can actually book you that activity in that chosen location. So you can see the integration is very, very good, at least in the demo. But again, just how much data are you sharing with Amazon for them to be able to suggest these options for you?
What's the next step?
Remove the nut holding the cartridge.
Should I get things?
You might.
Okay, so here, for example, he's doing some DIY kind of stuff. So the smart assistant will be able to talk you through whether you are, changing something under your sink, or you're doing some plumbing work or something in your car. You can again talk to the smart assistant in a natural tongue and find out exactly how to do a certain activity.
Make a slideshow of baby T nap.
Mom.
Say, for example, the person said, give me a slideshow for a certain person. So the smart assistant is able to look at your photo collection and based on that, create slideshows or albums or really anything that you like.
Wait, did someone let the dog out today?
I checked the cameras. And yes, in fact, Mozart.
So this is obviously using the Ring integration. So once it works out, who your animals are, what the animals are called, you can say something like, has the dog been out today? It'll be able to look through the camera, recognize if your dog has been in or out, and then tell you exactly what's happened.
Was just out.
And that's what the new service is. But the service is not free. It's going to cost $19.99. But if you are a Prime member, then you can access all of these features free or as part of your Prime subscription. I just wonder if they're going to increase the price of Prime to factor in all of the costs that are going to be associated with running these AI models and all of the processing that's required, especially when you factor in how many devices, how many people are going to be interfacing with this. I'm sure they're going to potentially increase the price of Prime in the next couple of months. So it does look very interesting. And if you really don't care about data harvesting or Amazon storing data, then for many people, it could be a great option, especially if it is included in your Prime bundle. The only thing I'm concerned about is really the data privacy aspects and also if they're going to increase the price of Amazon Prime. I mean, we saw that with people that pay for Prime Video. Now the standard tier actually comes with adverts. So even though you're paying for a service, they now force you to see adverts in your videos. If you want to get rid of those adverts, you then have to pay for another premium on top of that. So just shows that Amazon can change things at any time, really just to suit their pockets of the shareholders. And who knows that maybe this may be free for Prime members today, but in the next couple of months, they may increase the Prime for everybody else. So I guess that remains to be seen. But do leave me your comments below about this. Are you interested? Are you impressed? Is this something that you would go for? Or is this just another AI fad that will be forgotten very soon? But what's not a fad is to ensure that you do keep yourself safe online. If you're looking for a superb offer for a really fast VPN, right now there's a very special offer where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Firesticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy. So they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.